let's answer some of your legal questions this morning. We have our senior legal analyst, Chris Tritico, in the house to help out. Hello, how are you today?
I'm good. Got my pants on, too.
Hey, that is a good thing because, you know, that hasn't happened to everybody this week. Way to go, Chris, being all a pro this morning. Okay, here we go. Our first one coming in from Angelia. I received a call from a collection agency stating that I have an unpaid speeding citation for $485 that had been placed with their office from Colorado. They said I had 3 days to get back to them. To the best of my recollection, I paid that citation in 2018. My spouse passed away, and tracking down this payment is going to be next to impossible. Is there a statute of limitations on a traffic citation?
Well, probably, but in Colorado, they have red light cameras, which is probably what this was because you got it from a collection agent. And if you didn't get served with the citation, personally served with the citation, or served with it by certified mail and signed for it within 90 days, it's not valid anymore. And so you're probably okay with this. Check with somebody in the state of Colorado, the lawyer of your choice in Colorado, and see if they can check this out for you and see if you even got served with it. But if you can't find any of the old stuff because your husband passed away, and I'm sorry about that, there's probably not much you can do about it. I would not pay this again. So see if you can get somebody in Colorado to check this out for you, because it's probably not even a valid debt any longer. All right, so good luck.
Oh, hopefully that'll save her some money to know that. Thank you, Chris. Okay, next question is coming in from Deborah, who writes, I bought a 2023 Toyota Camry from a nationally known used car dealer back in May. I paid cash for the car. The dealer will not give me the title. My check and trade-in have cleared. I have called and left unreturned messages, emailed them, and gone back several times to talk with the salesman and store manager. They have not come up with the title. What are my options?
Well, Deborah, generally when this happens, what the issue is the seller does not have the title. Texas law does not require a used car dealer to obtain title before they sell the car. I think this is a flaw in Texas law, but the legislature won't fix it. So they can buy a car from somebody, not transfer the title into their name, and then sell it to you. So the title is technically in the old owner's name. And then they try to just transfer it to you from the old owner to you, and then the old owner hasn't done anything with it. That becomes the problem. That's probably what's happening to you here. So they are having trouble getting the transfer over to you, and that's the issue. Check with the Texas Department of Public Safety and see if they can help you with the issue. There is a thing called a bonded title that you can obtain that will at least get you some protection on your title and get something in your name. Check with the lawyer of your choice who works in this field. Call the Houston Bar Association. They can help you find somebody who can help you with this. And you might have to end up suing this national company. At least it's a company that will have some money to help you, to pay you. You're going to have to write them a letter and tell them you want your money back, and you'll give them the car back. And get a lawyer to help you with this. That's all you can do if they're not going to be able to produce a title. Good luck.
That is a crazy flaw, that they can sell it without ever having it to begin with. Right. I never knew that before.
Yeah,
learn something from you every day, Chris. All right, we have one final question coming in for you from Brandy, who writes, my husband called into work once, only missing 1 day. Now his boss says he needs to bring in a doctor's note. I always thought doctor's notes were for prolonged time being out of work. Is this true?
Brandy, it is, unfortunately. Texas is an at-will employment state. And so if you don't have a written contract that details what your rights are, your employer is pretty much free to do whatever they want, and they can be as mean as they want. As I've said many times on here, we cannot legislate people being nice. And your boss can be mean and rude if they want to. So the boss in your husband's situation can order you to bring in a doctor's note every time you miss work, if that's the way they want to act. You don't have to stay there. You can go find another job. And so if that's the boss's rule, then your husband's just going to have to bring in a doctor's note when he's sick, or go find another job. I'm sorry. Good luck.
That's tough because a lot of times you're sick enough where there's no way you can work,
Right.
but you're not too sick or you have to go to the doctor,
That's correct.
right?
That's correct. It's stupid.
Yeah,
And
that's tough.
Bad employer.
There you go. Chris tells it like it is.
That's right.
And that's why we love you so much. Hey, if you want to send us your legal questions, hop on our website. It's fox26houston.com. There you'll find Chris's segments. Just look under the morning news tab. You know what we always tell you, if you need specific info and advice, it's a good idea to contact a lawyer of your choice. Thanks again, Chris.
You bet.